Good morning, everybody. We're out at the lake. It's time to go fishing. It's starting to sprinkle right now. That's why I got the rain gear on. It's probably gonna rain pretty much all day. So we'll see what kind of footage we can put together, but we're out here fishing. Hopefully we can catch some fish. So stay tuned and see how the day goes. Please like this video, please comment on it, and please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Stay tuned because we're gonna catch some fish today. So here's our Jika Rig setup. We got our 3/8 ounce weight, we got our 2 swivels, we've got our owner cover shot hook, and we've got our Zoom trick worm. This should do the trick. Let's see what happens. There's one little guy, I think. Oh! Oh, I'm bit. I'm bit. Yeah, I'm bit. I'm bit. Come on, eat it. There it is. There it is. Not a giant, but I caught him. Almost lost him. Little guy. Little guy. Alright, I'm bit. I'm bit. There it is. That's a better one. Yeah, that's a better one. A little bit better. Get in the boat. There we go. There we go. Well, the rain finally showed up. It's been raining off and on pretty much all morning, but it finally showed up. Nope, I'm bit. I'm bit. There it is. There it is. Got him. Got him. Swimming at me, swimming at me. There it is. Another one. Not big, but it's fun out here. It's super crazy right now because we got 71-degree water and I'm like freezing right now. It's cold, it's raining, but the fish are biting. Ready to get another bite, catch another fish. There's a little rock pile right off this bush that's right in front of me, and I've been catching most of my fish on some of these little smaller points, and I should be able to pull one off of here. I caught one here a minute ago, but I think I should be able to get one right here in a minute. I don't think they're on the rocks as much as they are in the trees, in the brush. When I first started fishing this thing, I got some bites really quick, and then it just slowed down. It's kind of weird. I thought with this rain and those quick bites, I was gonna just jack them up, but it just slowed down all of a sudden now that the rain's steady. When it was, you know, on and off, you know, it was, the fishing was better, and I thought it was just gonna stay good, but it just definitely slowed down. Well, I just got bit. I was on some rocks And I got smoked pretty good, and then I went to set the hook and broke it off. I probably just nicked the line, and then when I set the hook, it just broke. So I just retied, going back to that same little rock pile, and hopefully I can catch one off of it. There's one. There we go. There we go. There we go. Got him. It's a good one too. Best one of the day for sure. Best one of the just fighting good. Just fighting good. There we go. There we go. Nothing special, rainy day bassing. Well, that's gonna do it out here today. It's raining, it's cold. I'm probably a little bit wet, and I'm gonna get out of here. But overall, it's a fun day out here. Caught some fish on the Jika Rig. I thought the fishing was gonna be better out here in this rain. I had a couple of those weird bites like I did the last time I was out here in my last Jika Rig video. But all in all, good day out here. It's rainy, it's wet, but sometimes you just gotta get that rain gear on, get out there, go do what you can, and try to catch some of those fish. But no big ones, just a bunch of bites, few fish. Hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, and share, and please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.